Welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today I'm excited to bring you Ghostek's Covert case for the Galaxy A12. Let's take a look at it. Honestly never really get tired of praising Ghostek's packaging, as again, I 100% feel that it was made for me. Red motif, holographic name accents, magnetic glass that holds the whole thing together. Yeah, this thing was made for me. Now, I'm a fan of the Covert line of cases as they are a lightweight, clear, and transparent case that typically allows you to enjoy the look and feel of your phone for the most part. We get a very nice matte black Ghostek logo sticker to help build some of that brand loyalty. Now the case itself is made out of thermoplastic polyurethane construction with a polycarbonate back to be able to be clear, and also it has Ghostek's proprietary R2X impact absorbing technology along the four corners. That's what that red material on it is. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put it into our phone and see how it fits. Very nice fit. Again, to reiterate, this is a polycarbonate back that again allows you to enjoy that pattern that Samsung designed on the back. Very often manufacturers will design and put a lot of time and effort into the back look of a phone, only for us, the consumer, to just slap a case on it. And honestly, it's a bit of a waste. However, it is very nice that, again, Ghostek has thought of us being able to enjoy our phone with this clear polycarbonate bag. And while we're back here as well, can we just take a second to appreciate that the camera cutout has not been neglected. Not only is it nice and protected in case it happens to fall face first, it also has a very nice cutout for that flash. So nothing back here is being neglected. Let's go ahead and flip it on over to the front. We can also appreciate the fact that our earpiece / speakerphone has a very nice cutout and indentation for it. So again, nothing here is being neglected. We can continue over the side of the case. We can go ahead and see that our fingerprint scanner, which is also our power button, has been left completely, oh man, that's no good. So I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a little bit harder to get to. This is a huge concern of mine when dealing with cases like this, that the buttons often are hard to access. Whenever you have a very nice case and your phone is protected, it often comes at the cost of mobility, where you're having a hard time pressing the buttons. Now, mind you, this wasn't too hard to press, especially on the volume buttons, but that power button, it kind of feels far. It feels like I have to really put some effort into pressing it, and it shouldn't feel that way. And I'm a little bit disappointed on this one. So this side mounted fingerprint scanner is, again, a little bit harder to get to, if I can be honest with you, but it is not completely inaccessible. I would have liked to see perhaps a bigger cutout around this, especially because I don't know. I'm just not a huge fan of this. I'm trying to think of what would have been a better way to handle this or to go about this. But honestly, I don't have a better way of going about this. So for now, I'm gonna give them a pass on this because, again, I currently do not have a better way of doing this, and I just feel that not only does it look a little bit sloppy, it is definitely a little bit harder to get to. And again, this is one of my huge fears on phones, and here it is. On cases, at least, where buttons are a little bit hard to access to because of the case, right? Let's go ahead and continue moving on from that. If we look over towards the top of the case, we can see a nice cutout for our pinhole microphone. It's not dead center. I'm not sure, again, if this is like a one-off, but it's not particularly dead center. I know it's a little bit hard to tell on the camera, but it's small little attention to detail like that, like here. This one is also off center here. That's literally what it looks like to my eye. Because if you look at it from the camera, it kind of looks like this. But in reality, this is exactly what it looks like, and it's kind of off center. as well as having another cutout for our headphone jack, our Type-C USB port, and our grill for our speaker holes. Very, very nice attention to detail. A little bit on the sloppy side, a little bit redundant. I don't know. Again, I'm gonna have to give them a pass for this one just because, again, I'm not sure how else I would have done that, and I'm not sure if I have any other A32 cases to compare it to. I mean, I do from other brands, but they, like I said, they chose to go with a much bigger cutout. That's how other companies have handled it, because again, you're gonna need a very large area of your finger to be able to read the fingerprint scanner. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this case? Do you think that maybe they did an okay job? Do you think they should have left it a lot wider on the cutout? Or what are your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.